Welcome to The Explainer. Today, we are going to pull back the curtain on a seriously powerful feature in DaVinci Resolve that honestly feels like straight-up magic. If you've ever been handed a finished video and told to re-edit it, you know the pain. Well, hang on, because we're about to make that headache disappear.
All right, so let's set the stage here with a situation that is, without a doubt, every editor's worst nightmare. It's a total dead end.
So picture this, right? A client sends you a video file. But it's not the project file with all the nice individual clips. Oh no. It is one single long video file that's already been exported, and now they want you to make changes. You just stare at it and think, where do I even start?
And this is what that nightmare looks like on your timeline. It's just one solid brick of a clip. Your only option, it seems, is to go through it second by second and manually slice it up every time the scene changes. It is so tedious, it is mind-numbing, and it can take, well, forever.
You're sitting there, just thinking, there has to be a better way. And I am here to tell you, oh yes, there is. And it's awesome.
So let's talk about the solution. It's this elegant, powerful tool that's built right into DaVinci Resolve. It's going to turn all those hours of work into just a couple of clicks. Seriously.
The feature is called Scene Cut Detection, and it does exactly what it sounds like. It's basically an AI assistant that scans your video and finds every single cut for you. It does the most boring part of the job automatically, in seconds.
You know, a great way to think about it is like this. Imagine the software is speed reading a book, and every time it gets to a new chapter, it slaps a bookmark in there. That's what it's doing with your video. It's finding the start of every new chapter, or shot, and breaking it all back down into its original pieces.
So how does it actually do that? It's not just guessing, it's looking at the data. See all those spikes on the graph? Each one of those is a moment where the software detected a huge, sudden change in color and contrast between one frame and the very next one, which 99% of the time means a cut.
Okay, so you're probably thinking, this is amazing, how do I use it? Let's walk through it. You're going to be surprised at how easy this is. All right, first thing, find that big, long video file in your media pool. You don't even have to drag it to the timeline yet. Just find it, right-click on it, and look for a specific option in the menu.
And there it is, Scene Cut Detection. That's the one you want. Go ahead and click that, and it's going to open up a whole new window where the real work happens.
Now, once you're in this new window, you've really only got one main job. See that button in the bottom left, Auto Scene Detect? You just click that and let Resolve do its thing.
And boom, in seconds, this is what you get. That graph just fills up, and every single one of those little green lines is a cut that the software found. Just like that, pretty much all the manual work is done.
Now, sometimes the software gets a little too excited. It might see a quick flash of light, like from a camera, and think it's a cut. No sweat. See that pink bar? That's your sensitivity slider. You can just drag it up a bit, and it'll ignore the small changes and only keep the really obvious actual cuts. So once you've messed with the sensitivity and it looks good, there's just one final click. That button right there, Add Cuts to Media Pool. You press that, and Resolve makes it official, turning that one long clip into a whole bunch of perfectly separated little clips ready to edit. But wait, it gets better. This isn't just about fixing a problem. Now that you have all your individual clips back, you've just unlocked some super fast workflows. So let's check out a really cool bonus tip.
Just look at this. On the left, you've got that kind of flat, boring footage. On the right, it's vibrant and cinematic. The coolest part, you can do this to every single clip in your project, all at the exact same time.
And here's how you do it. Just drag all those new clips onto your timeline, select every single one of them, and then hop over to the color page. With everything still selected, you can apply one color grade or one LUT, and it instantly applies to all of them.
A LUT, if you don't know, is basically a color preset. Think of it like a filter. Resolve comes packed with them. You just right-click, pick a look you like, and bam! You've instantly set the mood for your entire video. It's that fast.
Okay, but what if that one color grade you applied makes one of the clips look kind of weird? You know, maybe it was shot in different lighting, and now it just doesn't look right.
Well, the fix is just as simple. You just click on that one clip that's giving you problem, head into its node graph in the color page, right-click the node, and choose Reset Node Grade. It'll wipe the grade from only that clip, so you can fix it on its own without messing up everything else.
All right, we have moved fast and covered a lot of ground. So let's just do a quick huddle and recap the most important things you need to remember.
Okay, let's lock it in.
Scene cut detection is your new best friend. It automatically chops up your finished videos. It does this by spotting those big jumps in contrast between frames. Remember, you can use that sensitivity slider to clean up any false cuts. And this last one is really, really important. Once you've made the cuts, you can't make the clips longer. You can only make them shorter, so just keep that in mind.
You know, this tool is so much more than just a way to fix a problem. It's a creative key. It lets you take any video, deconstruct it, and build something entirely new. So the real question I want to leave you with is, now that you can take apart any video you want, what are you going to create?